Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the DailyMealz food subscription app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. DailyMealz is a food subscription app designed to simplify healthy eating by delivering fresh, chef-prepared meals directly to your doorstep. It caters to users who want to maintain a balanced diet without spending extra time on cooking or meal planning. The app offers various meal plans, including weight loss, muscle gain, and balanced options, allowing users to choose based on their goals and preferences. It's available on both iOS and Android, covering multiple regions in the Middle East and beyond. The app's main feature is its personalized meal subscription system. You can select meal types, delivery frequency, and dietary preferences in just a few taps. It also offers calorie tracking, nutritional information, and flexible scheduling options to pause or modify your plan anytime. DailyMealz partners with certified restaurants and nutrition experts to ensure every meal meets health standards and tastes great. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's convenience, food quality, and timely delivery. The clear nutritional breakdown helps track progress easily, and its user-friendly design makes meal customization simple. It's especially useful for working professionals, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a healthier routine without cooking hassle. However, there are some drawbacks. Subscription costs can be slightly higher than cooking at home, and menu variety may feel repetitive for long-term users. In some regions, delivery timing inconsistencies or limited availability can be an issue. In summary, the DailyMealz app may be worth using if you're looking for a convenient, reliable, and health-focused meal delivery service tailored to your goals. However, if you prefer full control over your meals or are on a tight budget, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.